Hello, and welcome to celiac.com news. Subscribe to our channel to get the latest celiac disease and gluten-free diet news. And if you have any questions, be sure to join the celiac.com forum online at celiac.com. And now, let's move on to the latest celiac.com news. Is Domino's gluten-free pizza safe for celiac disease? For individuals with celiac disease or gluten sensitivity, dining out can be a challenge. The risk of cross-contamination and the need for strict gluten-free preparation processes make it essential to carefully evaluate restaurant options. Domino's, one of the most popular pizza chains worldwide, offers a gluten-free crust, but is it truly safe for people with celiac disease? Domino's introduced its gluten-free crust to cater to customers with gluten-related dietary restrictions. While the crust itself is certified gluten-free, Domino's makes it clear that their kitchens are not gluten-free environments. This means there is a risk of cross-contamination during preparation, cooking, and serving. There are some key features of Domino's gluten-free crust to consider. The crust is made with certified gluten-free ingredients and meets FDA standards for gluten-free products. However, it is only available in a 10-inch size, limiting options for larger groups or families. Additionally, while many toppings are gluten-free, some, such as certain sauces or meats, may contain gluten or be at risk of cross-contamination. Despite offering a gluten-free crust, the way Domino's prepares its pizzas poses significant risks for individuals with celiac disease. The biggest concern is cross-contamination due to shared kitchen equipment. Domino's kitchens use the same ovens, utensils, and preparation surfaces for both gluten-free and regular pizzas, increasing the likelihood of gluten particles coming into contact with the gluten-free crust. Another issue is that Domino's does not have a dedicated gluten-free preparation area. Unlike some specialty gluten-free restaurants, everything is prepared in the same space, further increasing contamination risks. While Domino's staff receives training on handling gluten-free orders, human error and the fast-paced nature of the busy kitchen can lead to mistakes. Because of these risks, Domino's openly states that their gluten-free pizza is not recommended for individuals with celiac disease. Instead, it is marketed toward those with mild gluten sensitivity or those who avoid gluten for non-medical reasons. Not all pizza chains handle gluten-free options the same way. Here's how Domino's stacks up against other popular pizza restaurants. Domino's, Pizza Hut, and Papa John's offer gluten-free crusts, but do not have dedicated kitchen equipment, making them unsafe for individuals with celiac disease. Glazed pizza and mod pizza are better options for celiac-safe dining, as some locations use separate preparation areas and utensils for gluten-free orders. California Pizza Kitchen, CPK, is known for its celiac-friendly practices, using dedicated prep areas and taking extra precautions to minimize cross-contamination. If you have celiac disease or severe gluten sensitivity, here are some tips to help you navigate dining out safely. To safely enjoy gluten-free pizza, start by researching ahead of time. Check the restaurant's website or call to ask about their gluten-free preparation processes. When ordering, communicate clearly with the staff about your dietary needs and emphasize the importance of avoiding cross-contamination. Choose celiac-friendly chains like Blaze Pizza, Mod Pizza, or California Pizza Kitchen, which are more likely to have dedicated gluten-free preparation areas. Additionally, ask about ingredients to ensure that all toppings and sauces are gluten-free and have not been cross-contaminated. For an even safer alternative, consider gluten-free frozen pizzas or make your own at home using certified gluten-free ingredients. For individuals with celiac disease, consuming even small amounts of gluten can trigger severe symptoms and long-term health complications. While Domino's gluten-free crust is a step in the right direction, the lack of dedicated kitchen equipment and preparation areas makes it unsuitable for those with celiac disease. Instead, celiac-safe dining requires restaurants to take extra precautions, such as using separate utensils, ovens, and preparation areas. If you have celiac disease, it's essential to prioritize your health by choosing restaurants that are committed to gluten-free safety. While Domino's may not be the best option, there are other pizza chains and local pizzerias that cater to gluten-free diners with stricter protocols. Domino's gluten-free pizza is a convenient option for those with mild gluten sensitivity or those avoiding gluten by choice. However, for individuals with celiac disease, the risk of cross-contamination makes it an unsafe choice. By understanding the preparation processes and exploring celiac-friendly alternatives, you can enjoy delicious pizza without compromising your health. Always communicate your dietary needs clearly and choose restaurants that prioritize gluten-free safety to ensure a safe and enjoyable dining experience. To get the latest celiac disease news and information, be sure to subscribe to celiac.com news. Thank you for tuning in, and see you next time.